Hello, chess fans and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to give you 4 different chess wrap in Scandinavian Defense Part 3 video. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay? The last wrap is very important. Let's go to the wrap number 1. Okay. Hello everyone. Let's go to the wrap number 1 in Scandinavian Defense. Okay. First move is white 10. Okay. E4. This is called king's pawn opening. Then black 10. Black played d5. Okay. Then white pawn take the black pawn. After that, black decided to push the knight to f6. Now attack the pawn by the knight. Then c4. White push the pawn to c4 and defend the pawn. We will see how to end this match. Black push the pawn to e6. Then pawn take the pawn. Then bishop take the pawn. Then d4. Okay. Now you can see now. Black make a beautiful check with bishop. In this particular chess game, now white need to block the check with knight or bishop. He black with the check bishop. Bishop d2. Okay. Then black played queen e7. Now you can see this queen defend the black bishop. Okay. Then another move of white 10. White played queen a4 and check. This is big blunder he made. Black did big blunder because white thinks he can pick up the bishop. What black has discovered check. I am telling again, white thinks he can pick up the bishop. What black has discovered check. Okay. Now you can see another brilliant move make black bishop come to here on d7 discovered check. Now black check with bishop. Then bishop take the bishop and check now. In this case king take the bishop. That's it. Now wrap the queen. That's it. Black has up a queen. Black has up a queen. That's why this game easily win black. Okay. Let's go to the wrap number 2 in Scandinavian Defense. Okay. Hello everyone. Let's go to the wrap number 2 in Scandinavian Defense. Okay. This wrap black. Okay. Let's go to the moves. First move is e4. This is called king's pawn opening. Then d5. Scandinavian defense. Then pawn take the pawn. Then black decided to push his knight to f6. After that, c4. He pushed the pawn to c4 and defend the pawn by the white pawn. Then e6. Okay. Now we will see how to carry this match black. Black cut the pawn by the pawn. Then bishop take the beautiful pawn. Then d4. Then bishop go to b4 and beautiful check. Now we will see how to carry this match white. White decided to push his knight and block the check. Knight c3. Okay. Now white 10, black 10, sorry. Knight e4. Now double attack here. You can see now I am going to teach you this bishop attack this knight and at the same time this knight attack this knight. Okay. We will see how to carry this match white. White has 2 options. One is queen or knight or bishop. 3 options. Okay. The 7th move of white. White bishop go to d2. Then queen take the d4. d4 we will see. d4 pawn. After that knight cross e4. Cut the knight by the knight. Then queen cross e4 and check now. Then bishop come to e4 and black the check with bishop. Then beautiful move make black knight. Knight go to c6. Then white decided to push his knight to f3. Now beautiful castling make black. In this particular chess game, black has a 7.5 plus advantage. Black has a huge attack. Okay, easily won the game, black. Okay, let's go to the wrap number 3. Okay, hello everyone, this is wrap number 3 in Scandinavian Defense. In this particular chess game, wrap for black. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is e4, then d5. Scandinavian Defense on the board. After that, pawn take the pawn. Then knight go to f6 and attack the white pawn by the black knight. Okay, third move of white, pawn to d4. Now knight take the beautiful pawn. Then the fourth move of white push the pawn to c4. Then knight go to b4. Okay, we will see. Now knight go to b4. After that, black decided to push his queen and a4 check, and his idea is white queen cut the knight. His idea, he will cut, but he cannot cut because now beautiful move make black knight go to there. Now you can see here, this knight defend the knight. He cannot cut like this. Okay, the sixth move of white push his pawn to d5. This is mistake he did. That's why easily push the pawn to b5. Okay, then pawn take the pawn. Then bishop go to there in f5. Black bishop go to f5. Now white knight come to here on a3. Now this knight go to black knight, attack this line and fork the king and rook. We will see how to handle this match. Black cut the pawn by the queen. You can see queen take the pawn. Then pawn take the knight. This is the big blunder he made. That's why this game easily win black. You can see now. Queen e4 check. Okay, now king need to move. King go to d2. Then beautiful check with rook d8 and beautiful check. Now we will see king go to c3. Then e5. Okay, now you can see how to handle this match. White queen go to b5. Okay, because you can see now black has a discovered check here. This knight go to cut like this. Then this queen had cut the white queen, I think. We will see. Now the 12th move of queen come to b5. In 7 moves, black wins white checkmate. You can see how to black won the game with checkmate. Queen d4 check. Then king go to b3. The best move of black. Queen go to d1 and check. Now king go to c3. Then knight d5 and beautiful check. Then king go to c4. Again check with bishop. If take the bishop, why the bishop? Then knight b6 and beautiful check. In this case, king go to c3. Then knight a c4 and beautiful check again. Then king go to c4. That's it. In one move, Black made a beautiful checkmate with queen. Queen cross d3 and beautiful checkmate. That's it, this video. This is wrap number 3. We can go to the wrap number 4. Okay. Hello everyone, this is wrap number 4 in Scandinavian Defense. This is very important chess wrap in this particular chess game. Okay, let's go to the moves. e4, d5. This is called Scandinavian Defense. E cross d5, knight f6, d4, knight cross d5. Okay, then we will see the c4. Now attack the knight by the white pawn. Then knight go to b4. Then queen a4 check. Then knight come to there and defend the knight and d5. Then keep push the pawn to here, b5. Then c cross b5. Then beautiful move, knight go to there in d4. This is 7th move of black played. Then white played a knight come to here on a3. Then beautiful move make, keep push the pawn to e5. Okay, now defend the knight by the bishop. You can see this bishop defend the knight, and he cannot check and fork here. He cannot do, because there is a knight and there is a queen. We will see the 9th move of white, d cross e6, bishop cross e6. Then bishop come to here on e3. Now attack the knight by the white bishop. Then bishop go to d, queen go to h4. The 10th move of, we will see. Okay, we will see the 11th move of white, make a long castling. Now knight go to e2 check. One more sacrifice to win the queen. You can see how to win the queen black. Okay, let's go to the 12th move of king need to move. King go to there. Okay, we will see king go to there in b1. Now bishop go to f5 check. Then king go to a1 and beautiful check with knight. If queen take the c2, or if knight take the c2, the queen is wrapped. Okay, you can go back. If take with knight with, take the knight with white queen, then knight cross bishop cross c2. Then knight take the bishop. Then knight cross g1, knight pawn. Then rook cross g1. Then we will see. Now total this game black win, because black has a queen, two rook, a bishop and 5-4. What white has 2 rook, 2 bishop, a knight and 6-4. Total this game black has so many points up. That's why this game easily win black. Okay, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you, bye bye, God bless everyone, thank you.